Welcome back everyone. In the last session we have seen few questions of exercise 7.1. In today's session we are going to continue with the same exercise, question number 5. So it's given in the question that line L is the bisector of angle A. You can clearly see here in the figure this line L is bisecting angle A, that is, it is dividing angle A into two equal parts, whatever may be the measurement, and B is any point on line L. Okay, BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. So what are these BP and BQ? They are perpendiculars, and BQ are perpendiculars from B on the arms. Okay, these are the arms of angle A. On those arms we have dropped two perpendiculars. So perpendicular means this angle will be 90 degree and this angle will also be 90 degrees. Okay. So we have got two 90 degrees, one in this triangle, another in this triangle. Now we have to show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. We have to prove these two triangles are congruent, and BP is equals to BQ, or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. We have to prove BP is equals to BQ. So if we prove these two triangles are congruent, then we can say that by CPCT. So let's write the given and RTP. So whatever is given I have discussed, those all steps I have written here. Okay, as L is the bisector, so I can say these two angles are equal, so that is PAB is equals to QAB. This is equation 1. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B, so both of these angles will be 90 degrees. Just now I said you. Okay. So using these two, equation 1 and 2, will prove the triangles are congruent. So I have written what is RTP here required to prove triangle APB is congruent to AQB. This is given in the question. Coming to the proof now. In these two triangles APB and AQB, you can see from the equation number 2, APB and AQB are equal. This is our first step. Then PAB is equals to QAB. These two are equal because L is bisector and AB is the common side in both the triangles. Okay, so which property did we use here? We used AAS rule here. Okay, angle side, AAS rule. So by AAS rule we can say these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, then we can say the other parts are equal. So BP is equal to BQ. They are CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So very easily we can prove if you know the congruency rules. Now let's go to the next question, question number 6 of exercise 7.1. In this question you can see it's given that AC is equals to AE. Okay, you can see this AC line is equals to AE. These two are equal, and AB is equals to AD. These two are also equal. Okay, what do we, and one more angle is given here, angle BAD is equals to EAC. So BAD means this angle is equals to EAC. Now you can observe he is asking us to show that BC is equals to DE. So BC is equals to DE, we have to prove BC is a part of ABC triangle and DE is a part of ADE triangle. So if I prove these two triangles are congruent, ABC and ADE, I can prove BC is equals to DE. I can say BC is equals to DE by CPCT. So how to prove these two triangles are congruent first? How to prove these two triangles ABC and ADE? I have to prove these two triangles are congruent. For proving these triangles, I already have equal sides. Okay, already we have the equal sides. AB is equals to AD, okay, and AD is equals to, sorry, AC is equals to AE. Parts are given, but you can observe one angle is incomplete here. This BAD is given, but for proving ABC triangle we need BAC. Okay, I need BAC angle here. Okay, and for the other triangle ADE also, only this part is given, but I need this complete angle. Complete angle is not given, so that missing part, okay, can be added in both the angles. Let's continue with our steps now. Given, I have written what's given, then to prove BC is equals to D. Given that BAD is equals to EAC. This is given to us in the question. This angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. So what is the missing part? This part you can see. Okay, this part is missing, DAC. So I'll add DAC on both the sides. If I add DAC on both the sides of this angles, then I get BAD plus DAC. BAD plus DAC is equals to BAC, and EAC plus DAC will give you DAE. Okay, DAE. So we get the complete angles by adding the missing part. Now I can use this third equation and the first and second, which were already given, to prove the two triangles are congruent. Now I can prove triangle ABC, the green colored triangle, is congruent to triangle AD, the blue colored one, very easily. So let's write the steps. AB is equals to AD because it's given to us from 2. Then BAC is equals to DAE, just now we proved it. Okay, then AC is equals to AE, that is also given from 1. So which rule did I use here? I used SAS congruency rule for proving ABC is congruent to triangle AD. Once we prove these two triangles are congruent, then I can say the corresponding parts are equal. So what are corresponding parts? For triangle ABC, I can say BC, and for this triangle ADE, I can say DE. Excuse me. So BC is equals to DE. I can say they are equal because they are CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this is the way we can prove this theorem. In the same way, you have to do this problem, question number 7 also. Same thing should be done here. You have to add the missing part here. Okay, let's check out quickly what's given. P is the midpoint of AB, so AP is equals to PB, I can say, and BAD, this angle, is equals to ABE. This is given to us. And EPA is not the complete angle of green colored triangle. You can see EPA is a part of green colored triangle. Okay, so but I need this complete angle to prove these triangles are congruent. This complete angle I need here. Okay, so which part is missing? DPE, this part is missing in this angle. Okay, next DPB, okay, you can see EPA is equals to DPB. So this part, if I add in this equation number 3, then I get the complete angles. So this is similar to the previous question again. So to prove, we have to prove angle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP, that is the green colored triangle is congruent to the blue colored one. Okay, so for proving these two triangles are congruent, I already have this angle is equals to I already have this angle is equals to this angle. I know AP is equals to PB. If I get this complete angle, then I can easily prove it. So first we'll get that complete angle in this way. So I'll take EPA is equals to DPB from the given. Then I'll add missing part, that is the DPE missing part on both the sides. So EPA plus DPB, EPD, okay, or DPE you can say, is gives you APD, okay, APD, or you can say DPA, that doesn't matter. Then DPB, this angle plus DPE, add these two, what you will get? You will get BPE, okay, or EPB. You will get the complete angle by adding. So you can do this whenever you need complete angle. So we have got equation number 4. Now let's prove these two triangles are congruent. So in triangle DAP, this triangle, and EBP, the blue colored one, we know that DAP is equals to EBP. This is given to us, okay. This from 2, you can name it as DAP or BAD, that doesn't matter, okay. This angle you can name as DAP, or you can name it as BAD. Both means the same angle, okay. And AP is equals to PB, as I said, because P is the midpoint of AB from 1, and from 4 we have got DPA is equals to EPB, okay, this complete angles. So finally, if I show you these two triangles separately, first triangle and the second triangle, so we said this angle is equals to this angle, A is equals to angle B, then we said these two are equal, and we got this complete angle, okay, that's all. So for getting this complete angle, we did this step, adding, okay, adding DP on both the sides. So this is the way, this is D and this is E. So here I used two angles and one included side, so I can say these two triangles are congruent, okay. I can say these two triangles are congruent. This is your P and this is also P. So DAP is congruent to, what will be this one? This will be D and this will be E, okay. So this is your D and this is your E. So DAP is congruent to EPB by ASA congruency rule. So finally we can say AD is equals to BE, because they are CPCT, the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So question number 6th and 7th both are same. We are using same concept in both the questions. So you will understand these all questions only if you practice it, okay. Practice alone can makes you perfect. So keep these all things in your mind, copy down in your classwork. Once if you are perfect in this, complete your classworks regularly to avoid any inconvenience in the future.